then you need to focus and you need to tell the details of what the exact mail is all about, why you have sent that mail, or the message sender wants to give the receiver what kind of information. That means in the opening you greet, and then on the spot you would come to the focus and you would give all the specific details why that mail has been sent. And finally when you close that, you need to give a kind of pre-closing, closing and identification. And as you can see, if at all it's a formal one, you can just pre-close it like see you soon or hear from you soon, and then best wishes or all the best, and then your name. Or if at all it's a formal one, you can say hello sir, when you start, then and then you would give your focus, you would explain your content, and then you would write looking forward to or hearing from you, waiting to hear from you, and then with regards or with kind regards, then your sending name, the sender's name and details. Next.
The last point, or we can say the last thing in an email structure, that is signature, or the message body, that is the signature. Friends, as you know, we can also use default signatures while writing or while sending emails. That is automatically generated. We don't have to all the time required, means all the time it is necessary that we have to type the name and designation or office address. So default signature you can use, but remember, default signatures are used only in official emails or maybe only in formal emails. They are not required, or they are not used in informal or personal type of mails.
We need to know about the situation. We need to be very much careful about what is the reason to send that mail and decide whether it is a formal or an informal language to be sent. For example, if at all I am sending a mail to my friend, but at the same time it's about an application for a job, I need to be pretty formal, because no doubt the receiver is my friend. At the same time, the mail what I am sending is of a formal tone. So instead of looking into the user fact, we need to look into the fact of what kind of content, what is the subject, what we are sending. For example, another example has been given. If you're requesting a service or asking for a favor, you should always use a formal language. If you're giving an invitation, if you're going to say about something about your experience to your friend, that can have an informal touch. And you need to pay attention to the word choice. You need to be very much careful, because once it is been written, it is there forever and it can be saved. No doubt how much long or how much old that mail is. You need to be very much careful about the words what you write, because it can tend to misinterpreted. It can be interpreted in a wrong way. So we need to choose our words very carefully, and you should never use the uppercase words in capitals. We need never use mails, because when you write in capital, that the tone is of an angry tone. When you say call me, is interpreted differently than call me.
Yes, sometimes it seems to be shouting if you are getting angry on
exactly,
someone. So it seems to be like that. For example, if you use all the capital letters while writing an email, so it creates a negative impression. It shows that you are in an angry mood. So we should not draft an email using our angry mood. So friends, these are the things.
And finally, yes, we need to make sure that we sign out after checking our mail. When you see, for example, again I have taken Gmail, sign out factor is very much necessary before concluding every part.
Thank you, friends. We hope that we have tried to satisfy you. If there are any questions, you are welcome.
SANDHAN, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.